Okay, so I designed this new Footswitch, which is kind of an enhanced version of the original one. So it has the original clean crunch lead buttons, which are color matched to the amplifier. But I started thinking, why not have Reverb and Fx unique to each of the three channels? So you can actually select clean, can turn off reverb, turn on effects, or vice versa. And when you go to crunch, they're both on. And if you want to turn off effects for that one, you can. And then say for lead you want both. So now clean, effects only, crunch, reverb only, lead both. And it saves memory, so if you change it, it'll go back to your last state. As well as if you power off, say you leave it on crunch with reverb on, do a power cycle next time you come back, got crunch and reverb. Anyways, hope you guys like this.